opinion that I have about some of the regulations on the legal metrology, which was previously called the Standards of Weights and Measures Act,
Right.
and the Packaged Commodities Regulations, which came in 1975 when the emergency was in place, essentially targeted a particular scenario at a point in time. And from there, we have moved on, and more than 40 years has passed. We need to see what is the standardization that we would like to offer to the consumer, and as the government official sitting on this dais is able to say, enough number of consumer products have already been under compulsory licensing, and Drugs and Cosmetics Act also in Schedule S brought in several of the consumer goods with standards being a must to be followed.
Right.
When it comes to the question of looking at some of the packing material and branded packing material being actually utilized by the industry for these drugs and cosmetics products, to some extent I do believe while all these bottlenecks are there, one solution that we can look at is equating usage of the packing material for a pass off or for actually peddling a counterfeit should be made an economic offense,
Okay.
should be treated as equivalent to something which is an offense being looked at by an economic offences court. Today, the system and mechanics are not driving that force, and that will be a betterment for actually the consumer. Another thing that I would like to also say is the problem within also needs to be seen by the industry. The specifics with reference to how we actually get the packing material manufactured by a third party, how much of influence we have in terms of its disposal, where does it land up, and how it gets recirculated into the market as another product. There have been instances probably in the markets where you will not be able to identify whether actually some counterfeit is there in the market or in the original packaging material there is a counterfeit inside. That is also a problem. So the industry also needs to go hand in hand with the government looking at this problem on counterfeits. And as far as the Weights and Measures Act is concerned and the Packaged Commodities rules are concerned, the law has been continuously changing and continuously evolving. And recently we have seen problems on non-standard weight being removed, multi-piece packaging being removed. These are things which are useful for a consumer.